Hi everyone, thank you for joining us in today's Teaching Kitchen, where we'll be making a Speedy fruit dip. I'm Anna, and this is Ashley, and we are dietetic interns
with NL Health Services. Before we get started, let's touch on some food safety basics. If you have long hair, tie it back so that it's out of the way to avoid any hair falling into your food. Next is to make sure to wash your hands and then sanitize your workstation and equipment. I'll also be using a cut glove today on my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, to help prevent it from any little slips or trips from the knife. I'll also be wearing a disposable glove over top to avoid any cross-contamination. Lastly, I placed a damp kitchen towel underneath my cutting board, which is a great way to keep it from sliding around on the countertop while I'm chopping.
At the end of today's session, you'll learn how to make a quick and easy dip, learn the benefits of using plant-based protein, and learn another way to add fruit to your day.
We are going to prepare a speedy fruit dip using plain Greek yogurt, nut butter, honey, and fruit to dip. Some examples of nut butter include almond butter, peanut butter, and cashew butter. You can use whatever you have on hand. For equipment today, we'll need a bowl, a spoon, some measuring cups and spoons, a knife, a spatula, and a cutting board. Canada's Food Guide recommends that half the plate be vegetables and fruit. Having a healthy dip to pair with fruit is a great way to introduce new kinds of fruit into your diet. Choose fruits with different textures, colors, and shapes to fit your taste, such as apples, bananas, oranges, or pineapple. Fruit contains fiber, vitamin, and minerals. If fresh fruits are not available, canned or frozen fruits can be used as an alternative. Having fruit and dip readily available is an easy snack that is great to grab and go.
Nut butters are a plant-based protein. These foods contain less saturated fat than some other types of protein foods. This can be beneficial to your heart health. Low-fat dairy products such as Greek yogurt are another example of foods containing less saturated fat.
Since we are using pineapple as a fruit to dip, we will be covering how to core pineapple. First, start by cutting the top and the base of the pineapple. I'll be wearing a cut glove on my left or my non-dominant hand to protect my fingers from any slips or trips from the knife. Then cut the pineapple into quarters lengthwise. Then remove the core of the pineapple. Then I'll be cutting the pineapple again, followed by the skin of the pineapple. Let's get prepping. In a bowl, stir the yogurt, nut butter, and honey. You can use different substitutes for honey, such as maple syrup or agave. You can use regular yogurt, however the consistency will be thinner than the Greek yogurt. Serve dip alongside sliced fruit. Store in the refrigerator for up to 4 days in an airtight container.
Thank you for joining us in today's session. We hope you enjoyed learning about how to make a quick and easy dip, the benefits of using plant-based protein, and learning another way to add fruit to your day. If you make this recipe at home, feel free to take pictures and share with your family and friends. Post on social media as well if you like to show off your skills. Use the hashtag #TeachingKitchen to accompany your post so we can see it as well. Thank you for following along and have a great day.